My name is Jack, and today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cookies with my family's recipe. First, we need to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, make the dough. The recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, here is the sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, here's peanut butter, and last 1 egg. Here's the egg. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Go. Now we're going to line up your cooking plate with parchment paper. After you mix them all into the bowl, you need to start taking out medium scoops of the dough. After flatten them with a fork. Flatten them with a fork, sprinkle sugar on top, then set them in the oven. Just nice and good. Actually, you can have an adult help you. Set them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. You can have an adult help you if you need to. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Cookies are done. Let's try them out. Now I'm going to rate them from 1 to 10. I say 9 out of 10. These cookies are really good. I hope you liked my video and give these cookies a try. Bye, everyone.